Drive away, mastering English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we'll dive into the phrase, drive away, and unpack its different uses and meanings. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding phrases like these will boost your fluency and confidence. So, let's get started. The phrase, drive away, can be used both literally and figuratively. Let's break it down. Literal meaning, when you drive away, you operate a vehicle and move it away from a particular place. For example, she got into her car and drove away from the house. Figurative meaning, to drive away, can also mean to cause someone to leave or to repel something. For example, his rude comments drove away the guests. It's important to note that drive away is a phrasal verb, a combination of a verb and a preposition that results in a new meaning. Understanding how to use drive away in sentences will help you become more natural with its application. Here are some examples. 1. Instructing someone to leave. 2. When you finish unloading the groceries, you can drive away the truck. 3. Describing an action. 4. The kids just drove away on their bikes. 5. Explaining a consequence. 6. Not offering good customer service might drive away potential clients. 7. Narrating a story. 8. As soon as the danger passed, they drove away as fast as they could. 9. Used with an object. 10. Loud construction noise is driving the wildlife away from the area. Notice how the context changes the meaning slightly each time. When learning English, it's easy to confuse similar phrases. Make sure you don't mix up drive away with drive off, which also involves leaving a location by car but doesn't carry the same connotation of causing something or someone to leave. For example, you might say, he drove off without saying goodbye, which simply means someone left in their car, without any implication of the action causing a reaction. Remember, using drive away correctly in a sentence can change the tone of your conversation or writing, so practice these to avoid confusion. Thanks for watching. I hope this explanation helps clear up any confusion about how to use drive away and adds another useful phrase to your English toolkit. Keep practicing, and you'll drive away any doubts you have about your English skills in no time. See you in the next video.